Okay, let's just give you an introduction here to exercise 3. There's a couple of things here that I haven't covered. I thought that I had, but we need perhaps to have a closer look at. In this question here, it has this piece here, 12 times 7 equals 84, which is true, but if we just work with 84 as the diameter of this larger circle, okay? So what the piece I want to cover with you is that what we need to do to start this off is we need to break this circle up into 6 equal parts, the diameter into 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where we need to start. Now, you could do that mathematically, but I want to show you how to do that graphically, and it makes it a bit easier, in other situations where perhaps the numbers you don't know the length of the size or something like that. So let's have a quick look at how to do that. All right, so we're here. You'll see that I've already got this set up. I've already opened up our template. Please remember to do all your drawings on the MCC template. What we might do is we might go and save this now. So I'll go save. I'll save it for the first time and put it into the stuff that I'm saving here, and we'll just call this that one there's. So we'll just call exercise 3. Okay. So I've got that saved up. So now I've got a start here, right? Okay. What we need to do first of all is just draw a line. Make sure you go here. We'll just use our construction lines again. What we're actually doing is drawing a centre line. Perhaps you should put a centre. No, we use construction lines. Okay, let's get a line here. We'll just draw a line along here. We want to make that line 84 long. Okay. So there's our line 84 long. Escape, and let's zoom in. So as we're about there, it's probably good enough. So we're in the space. All right, move it down the bottom of the page a bit. What I'm going to do now is I want to divide this line into 6 equal parts, and I just want to show you how to do that. We just grab another line here and click on start at that point there, and just draw a line up here at any angle. Okay, it doesn't matter what the angle is. So there, wham, there's a line. Escape. Now take your circle tool. All right, what we want to do is we want to break this line up here into 6 equal parts just by using our circle tool. So we'll just go and make a circle about that big. Okay, escape, and now we go here with our copy tool. So what we want to copy, select the object, we want to copy the circle, and the base point for that wants to be the center of the circle. So at the moment that's 1. We go here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Escape now. Now you'll see there that line there is now 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5, 6. Alright, we take our line tool again and we draw from the intersection of where that circle cuts the line there down to here, down to the end of that line. Okay? Alright there. Escape. Now we just copy that line. So if we go copy and we click on the line again, select the object, and now make our base point this point here, right? And we copy to where those circles intersect with that line we drew up on the angle. So there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Oh, we don't need to do that one. Escape. So now this line here will be broken into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? Because this is going to get really confusing otherwise, what I would do now is I would delete this piece off here and just leave the lines there so you can see where they are. Alright, because these circles sort of get a bit confusing in a minute. So, but you need to do that step so as you've got this line broken up into 6 equal parts. Alright, so I'd simply delete these off. Delete. And we'll delete that line in there as well. So to get this started now, you just grab your circle tool again and you just draw circles from each of these points. So you draw one circle. Now, you've got to use a different part of the circle tool. My mistake. Up here, if we click down circle tool, let's use the 2-point circle this time. So we want to draw a circle. Keep in mind, if you go back and look at our picture, alright, you'll see there we need a circle that goes from there to that part, okay? So if we just go, we jump back in here and we grab we've got this 2-point circle tool, so we go there and there, alright? It's one circle and the next circle, click on circle tool again, there and there, click on your circle, and you can see this starting to pull together. Alright, there, to there. Okay, at this point now, what I would do is I would delete this line out of here, or let's put, what we really need to do is we need to go up here and we need to put some center lines in, okay? So we go here and we use center lines, which we'll find up here. Okay, and let's draw a center line that goes from here through, we'll just let us to get the other side a bit to there. Escape, and just click on that center line end. Let's just drag this end here out this way a bit, okay? So you got a center line goes that way, and we need a center line to go in this way, and that point there will be center of that line. So if we go to line, and we click a line here, and it actually goes through there, isn't it? Because that's 6 equal parts. So there's 3 on this side, and 3 parts on that side, so that would be, see there, it's actually coming up as the midpoint of that line. Let's just stretch the line straight up here. Now it needs to be vertical, that's right, so there we go there. Escape, and so as a complete centre line, let's just whack one from there. We can do this one of two ways. We can click on this line here, and grab this point here and drag it down, alright? And that'd probably be the easiest way to do it. So now you've just got center lines on there, because you need those in a minute. So what you need to do now is you need to get rid of half of this, and then mirror that top half to there, and then mirror it around the other way. We might do that together really quickly. If you've already got this, just go on, have a go yourselves. But let's just, so we use our trim tool to start with, and we're going to trim, the objects we want to trim are all these ones here. So if we just stretch this way like this, alright, selects all the objects there, and then we want to trim, where do we want to, no, that's wrong, I made a mistake, sorry. So go escape, go trim, and the line you want to select the line you're going to trim on, we want to trim on that line, and select the objects you want to trim, we want to trim all of those, okay? And wham, better get this one here too, and it cuts off the bottom of all those. Alright, we could probably just, we can just probably delete this line out here now because it's just in the road, and delete this one here as well. Alright, okay, so now we've done that. Now we want to mirror this, so we're actually going to put it back, but by doing it by mirror we've got 2 halves, hey? So we go mirror, and so select all the objects you want to mirror. We want to mirror all those objects there, alright? And so we just go, and where do we want to mirror on? We want to mirror on this line here, don't we? So there, and there, alright? Okay, and it says now, ask you to put question memory mirror. No, we don't want to replace the other, so we go like this. Alright, now we want to swap that around. We want to mirror this over the other way. So what we need to do now is we go mirror tool again, and we say we want to mirror all of these items here. Alright, now you can see what's happened, hey? Those items there we want to mirror, and for our center line this time we want to use our this center. Alright, there. Okay, now this time we want to delete our original ones, okay? So we've got to put a yes in there, so click Y, so that changes to yes, and go enter. And there you go, you can see. Now we've got this other stuff in here, it's a bit of a pain in the back, so we probably should delete that early, so let's just delete that out now. Okay, and what you've got then is that image. Now you want to change that image to a to an outline, so that it comes up pretty good in your final drawing, but that really is essentially what you've got there, isn't it? Okay. Alright, go on, put that onto a drawing sheet and save as a PDF like we've done before. Alright, thank you.